أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. I show a passes here in order to perform two late tasks in Quartus 2. First of all, we are going to start our first late task. For that, I am going to create a new project. Here I will locate my file's location as I will place it in desktop. This is selected file and I will name it as live 7-1 and then click on next, next, and next, and next. And from here, we have to just select verilog.stl file and then click on next and then finish the file. It will take a little bit time to get ready. Now from here, we will click on new and here we have to select verilog.stl file and click on OK. As I have already copied the code, I will just paste it here and just try to start compilation. Yes, and I will save the file over here. Save. It will take a little bit time for the compilation. Yes, our compilation is already started. As our analysis is completed, only compiling the design. As it can be seen over here that our compilation is done. Now for our waveform as well as for our diagram. For our circuit, we will click on locate node and from here we will click on locate in RDL viewer. As it can be seen from here that this is our circuit where we have into 4 inputs and we have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gates and get only single output. This is our circuit. Now we will move towards our waveform and its simulation. We will click on new and from here we will select Unity program VWF and click on OK. From here we will just click on insert node plus and new node list, transform it to here and click on OK, and then from here we have to OK. As these are our 4 inputs and this is our output. Now we will assign the voltages. We will change its periods. First one is 100. Second one is 200. Third one is 300. And fourth one is 400. And then we will run the function simulation. Click on OK for saving and click on save. It will take a little bit time for simulation to get its output. As we can see over here that it is completed. So we will see over here that these four are our inputs and this fifth one is our output. As our output is here, now we will go for our next task and see whether both the outputs are same or not. Just to see whether both the outputs are similar in both these tasks or not, we will click on new project in order to create the next one, and we will locate its position. As I have already created the folder, I will select it and I will assign the name of it over here, 7-2, and then click on next, 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 and next. And from here, you just select variable STL file and click on next and click on finished. From here, we will create new folder and then variable STL file and click on OK. As I have already copied the code, I will just paste it here and then I will run my simulation and click on OK to save our file. Is our compilation take a little bit time to compile. As our compilation is almost done, now we will move towards our RDA viewer to see our circuit. As it can be seen from here, we have 4 inputs and we will get only one output. So this process is totally similar with the previous circuit. Now we will move towards our waveform. For that, we will click on new and then Unity program VW and click on OK. From here, we will insert new nodes list and transform it here and click on OK. And from here, we will click on OK. As it can be seen, 4 inputs and 1 output. We will just change its periods and red. Red. 300 and 400, 400, and then run the simulation and click on yes and save the file. It will take a little bit of time to complete it. As it can be seen here that it is completed successfully. As we can see over here that this very output is totally similar with our previous output. So we can say that both these circuits are working in the similar way. Now we will go for our proteus circuit. As we can see over here that this is our proteus circuit. In this circuit, we have draw both these circuits over here parallel to each other. So we will simulate these circuits or run it and see what will be the output. Is it similar with our Quartus task or not? So we will run our circuit and see what will be our outputs. As we can see over here that our both the outputs are 1, so our circuit is properly working. So we can say that our proteus circuit is also working properly. Thank you so much, sir.